Alright, it's Christmas Day. Claire's trying out her new toy from Grandma and Grandpa. Whee! Here we go. Hi. Hi, Fiona. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Now should we walk? See how quickly Dad can switch it. I
want to wiggle my way out of here. Okay.
Here we go. Can you see her?
Yep.
Oh, you're falling. What are you doing? Come on. Come on, Jello legs.
I'm tired of it.
Alright, night night. It's about bedtime. That's why those legs are heavy. Night night, Claire.